CX automatic auger filling and screw tighten capping production line. This production line is consisted of rotary bottle feeding table, automatic product feeding conveyor, automatic single head auger filling machine, automatic elevating caps feeding machine, automatic screw tightening capping machine, and the rotary table for collecting product. Production line design accordance with GMP standards, CE certificate. PLC touchscreen control system, stable work, convenient man-machine interface operation. The operating language on the touchscreen can be written into your national language. Stainless steel 316 automatic product feeding conveyor, automatic feeding into filling machine hopper. Auger filling system. Machine is suitable for powder and small particles, in food, medicine, daily necessities and other industries, such as milk powder, plant spice, condiments, talcum powder, flour, medicine powder, tooth powder, milk tea powder, pearl powder, nutrition powder, meal replacement, pesticides, monosodium glutamate, etc. High filling precision, fast speed running. Large torque, long life, settable speed, and good stability. The whole production line is made of stainless steel 304 and machine parts which contact product is made of stainless steel 316. The electrical accessories and pneumatic components are all selected well-known brands. Capping machine is screw tightening design for jar caps. Adjustable for different diameter of caps and different height of jars. Equipped with automatic elevating caps feeding machine, high-speed caps feeding. "2 years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience." Thank you for watching and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack. your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.